Elon Musk just dropped a massive announcement, and it could change everything for Tesla's future. A brand new $200 million Tesla Megafactory is coming to Texas. This could be the secret weapon behind the long-awaited 2026 Tesla Model 2, the affordable EV millions have been waiting for. But why Texas? Why now? And how is this new factory set to revolutionize the way Tesla builds electric cars, slashing costs, speeding up production, and possibly putting gas-powered vehicles out of business for good? In this video, we'll break down exactly how this third Texas Megafactory is designed to supercharge the launch of the Model 2, why Elon Musk is calling it a turning point for Tesla, and what this means for everyday drivers around the world. You're watching Motivation with JKK, where we uncover the real story behind the biggest tech moves. Hit that subscribe button to help us reach 40,000 subscribers and tap the notification bell so you never miss what mainstream media won't tell you. What if the secret to Tesla's $11,000 car isn't a car factory but a massive battery plant? All right, here's the big picture. Elon Musk is building something massive down in Brookshire, Texas, that's just west of Houston. Tesla is taking over a 1.03 million square FT warehouse. This is a $200 million project focused entirely on energy, not cars this time. Now, why is that important? Because this new site will crank out Tesla's grid-scale battery systems, the Megapacks, at a scale we haven't seen before. Reconstruction has already started in March 2025, and production would be rolling by late 2025 or early 2026. That lines up perfectly with the expected launch of the Tesla Model 2 in March 2025. Tesla began pre-clearing the site by removing freight equipment and over 200 doors to prepare for factory upgrades. Electrical and building permits were secured quickly between March and April. From April to July, interior retrofits included floor reinforcement and installing semi-automated production lines. Meanwhile, major power upgrades by CenterPoint Energy and temporary generators are set for April through September to support the factory's huge energy needs. Equipment installation and software testing would run from July to September, aiming for trial production by late summer 2025. Full-scale output is targeted for the fourth quarter 2025 or early 2026, lining up with the Model 2 launch, though some risks remain, like potential power upgrade delays, slower freight clearing, and minor permit issues. But Tesla's tight project management is keeping things on track. This factory alone is expected to deliver up to 40 gigawatt-hours of battery storage every year. Just to give you some perspective, that's enough energy to power over 600,000 American homes for a full day. Plus, the project is creating 1,500 new jobs in the area, which is a huge win for Brookshire. There's a strategic reason for Tesla picking up this location. It's just a short drive from Giga Factory, Texas, which means faster delivery of components and smoother coordination. On top of that, Texas has a deregulated energy market that gives Tesla more flexibility to innovate and even sell power directly to customers without going through traditional utility companies. Plus, energy storage is exploding right now. In 2024 alone, the U.S. deployed 14.7 gigawatt-hours of energy storage, a 64% increase over the year before, to meet the demand for utilities that need backup during extreme weather, solar farms that want to store more clean energy, and EV charging networks that need consistent backup power, especially with millions of new EVs on the road soon. Thanks to the Model 2, Tesla is in a perfect position to meet that demand. Their Megapacks offer better long-term value than competitors like KTL and Fluence, for example. Each Tesla Megapack delivers up to 3.9 megawatt-hours of storage in a single unit and requires 40% less space than traditional containerized systems, which helps reduce installation costs by up to 30%. But what really sets them apart is Tesla's tight integration between software and hardware, since it lowers life cycle maintenance expenses by over 20%, making Tesla the most cost-efficient choice in the large-scale battery market. Moreover, their energy software can automatically buy and sell electricity at the most profitable times using something called auto bidder. This is just like having a smart energy trader working for you 24/7. Tesla is building full energy ecosystems at many supercharger stations. Tesla is now combining solar panels, megapacks, and fast chargers into one seamless system. That means these stations can keep running even if the local power grid goes down. It also helps cut electricity costs during peak hours for future Model 2 owners. This means cheaper, more reliable, and more independent charging, no matter where you are with Tesla. Building a massive battery factory in Texas. What excites you most about the upcoming Model 2? Comment 1 for lower price and affordability, 2 for more reliable and independent charging, 3 for made in America production. How is Tesla pulling off such aggressive pricing without cutting corners? Let's take a step back and look at the global picture. Tesla isn't just building one megapack factory in Texas, they're building a full-on global energy network. Think of it as an energy supergrid powered by 3 strategically placed megahubs around the world. First, we've got the new factory in Brookshire, Texas, which will become Tesla's most advanced megapack site to date. This one will handle the Americas from Canada down to Chile using cutting-edge tech and automation straight from Tesla's AI labs. Then there's Shanghai. That site already produces mega packs at full volume and covers demand throughout Asia and Europe. And Tesla isn't stopping. They're coming soon is the Collie facility in Western Australia. While not yet producing brand new units, it's being designed for remanufacturing, servicing, and regional support for the entire Southeast Asia and Oceania regions. Together, these 3 sites are expected to generate over 120 gigawatt-hours of energy storage capacity every year. That's enough to stabilize dozens of power grids or fully power over 1.8 million U.S. homes for a full day. So why does this matter for the Model 2? Mega packs are big business. A single 100 megawatt-hours mega pack installation can bring in between $50 million and $70 million in revenue, depending on location and power pricing, with gross margins reaching up to 25%. Tesla can use profits from energy storage to subsidize vehicle production. That's part of how they can afford to bring the Model 2 down to a projected price of $11,970 or as low as $10,190 when you factor in U.S. tax credits and state incentives. In short, the Megapack helps pay for your car. There's also a massive benefit from shared technology between Tesla's energy and vehicle divisions. The same AI-driven quality control systems, semi-automated production lines, and lightweight materials used in Megapack factories are also being applied to the Model 2 production line. Tesla estimates that these shared innovations can save up to $2,000 per vehicle simply by eliminating waste and streamlining the assembly process. Let's talk about battery chemistry. Both the Model 2 and Megapack will use next-gen lithium iron phosphate batteries known for being 30 to 40% cheaper to produce than nickel-based alternatives, while offering up to 3,000 full charge cycles, more than double the lifespan of traditional EV batteries. Tesla is developing new 4,685 or 4690 cell formats which can charge up to 20% faster, run 10 degrees Celsius cooler under heavy load, and reduce the risk of thermal events by over 80%. These advances won't just benefit grid storage, they'll also make the Model 2 more durable, safer, and 20 to 25% more energy efficient for everyday use, all while keeping the total cost of ownership far lower than today's EV standards. So what does this all add up to? Tesla's energy division is more than just a side hustle. It's the secret weapon that gives them a massive edge. While competitors are still figuring out how to manage battery supply, Tesla's already solving it with 3 interconnected factories, an AI-enhanced production line, and a mountain of cash. coming in from energy storage.